How to delete BIGO Live account. Let's get started. Launch your BIGO Live app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of Me. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Open this option Account Management. Now scroll all the way down. You'll see the option of Delete Account. Click on it. Account Deletion Delete Conditions. You have to meet the following conditions at the same time to delete the current account. You can see that I meet all the conditions. Now click on Confirm and Continue. Before you apply to delete your account, please read and confirm the following contents. You can go through this and then check in for this option. Click on Delete Account. Confirm to delete account. BIGO Live will process your application and delete the account information within 20 days. If you need to restore your account during this period, you can log in again and follow the instructions on the page. Click on Delete Account. The account has been successfully deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your BIGO Live account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.